Hi, I'm Tim Winters, and I'm here today to talk a little bit about the new announcement from NIST about the U.S. government profile. And I have some questions I'm going to cover today to commonly asked about the profile. The first question I got is, what is the USGv6 test program? The USGv6 test program is a program about acquiring IPv6 equipment. In particular, the original program 10 years ago was about getting equipment, purchasing it now for IPv6 deployments. So it's a test program that helps companies come in, test, so that buyers and suppliers are talking the same language, that when a company or agency wants to buy something, they can actually know from the supplier what it is. What's in the new updated profile? So some of the stuff we have in the new updated profile includes new capabilities, new updates. Since the 10 years since the original release of the profile, we've updated a lot of the specifications. Just in 10 years, security holes, we fixed those. We've added new capabilities that include things, Internet of Things, transition mechanisms for V6. We've also added in this profile, it includes applications. In this case, we're going to start to test applications so that they work over an IPv6 only network. We've exhausted all the IPv4 addresses, and because of that, we're starting to see V6 only deployed networks, and we're trying to make that work. What devices are required to test against the updated profile? So, the updated profile, after 2 years, the old profile won't be good. So we have roughly 500 devices that tested previously. All of those are going to have to retest. We also, so we're still going to be testing host routers, regular networked IT equipment. This profile also includes or allows applications to start testing, and that's, based on what we've seen from different user groups, they want to make sure that when they buy an application, it will work on an IPv6 only, that it doesn't require v4. So that's another new aspect of the profile that we're going to be testing. How do you work with NIST on this testing program? So NIST, one of the things that's changed between the original profile, it was one document. This time we've broken it into two documents. One of them is called the NIST IPv6 profile, and the other one is called the USGv6 profile. The NIST profile is, we broke it apart. It has the technical bits, so it has a lot of the IETF standards. And the reason we did that is so that other groups could use it. NIST is kind of hoping that other governments, other large user groups might use that document. It doesn't have all the US government requirements for testing, how the test program works, but it covers all the technical bits so that everybody is working together. And obviously NIST also works closely with the IOL and the Ready Logo Forum, which is another test program. NIST has done a really good job of collaborating with as many user groups as they can when they created this test program. Last but not least, if you've already tested the USGv6, do I need to retest to the new profile? Yeah, I alluded to this earlier. When the new profile becomes official, right now it's in beta phase, people can comment on it. When the first one comes out, it'll be 2 years from when that starts that everyone will have to update to the new profile. So agencies will still be accepting the old results, but in the future, everyone after 2 years will have to test the new devices. So we'll keep the old list for 2 years, and then after time, that list will go away, and then we'll only list devices that have been tested to the new profile. Thanks everyone for taking time to do these questions. We look forward to working with everyone in the future, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.